So today we are making Pipa Tofu, which is named after the Chinese instrument for its shape. And essentially it's like a fortified fried tofu ball, only we are going to be baking it instead and loading it up with a ton of yummy ingredients. So I can't wait to show you the recipe. I have 6 to 8 stalks of spring onions, a carrot, some shiitake mushrooms, and some cilantro. Recipe is going to be all down below, and that is kind of the vegetable portion in the Pipa Tofu. I'm squishing about 400 grams of firm tofu. You want to drain it a little bit better than I did and just squish it in between your fingers until it gets nice and smooth. And then I'm going to add in the rest of my flavoring ingredients. That was a little bit of toasted seaweed at the beginning. I have some sesame oil, salt, pepper. The chickpea flour is going to be what's going to bind it together, and I love using that over just, normal flour or normal cornstarch. And then some minced ginger and some minced garlic to finish it off. It's quenelles with a Q, and you basically take 2 spoons, and while you're kind of compacting the tofu, you are scooping them against one another. It takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it, you get it. And it kind of mimics that pipa string instrument shape. Now, there's a decision you have to make. You can either pan fry these, which I do feel like gives you an extra level of crispiness, or you can just brush these with a little bit of oil, stick these guys in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for right around 20 to 25 minutes until they turn golden brown. That's a little bit easier for me to do here in big batches. They look so pretty. So set them aside for now, and we're essentially going to make a little stir-fry sauce to put them in. So minimizing on the oil again, I have 1 cup of the mushroom liquid that I soaked the shiitake mushrooms in, some scallions, some garlic. This is a little bit of shoaxing rice wine. Essentially, I'm making a stir-fry sauce. So at the end of this, I'm going to mix a little bit of cornstarch with a little bit of water and thicken all of this up. once they are warmed through, you're gonna want to adjust for seasoning, but this guy is good to go. I mean, you mix this with a bowl of rice and you're gonna get something that's super scrumptious and savory, because with the Pipa Tofu, it has kind of that crunch, but it's also soaked in that sauce. You have some of the seaweed that's gonna function as seafood and all of the, savory bits inside, and it's just so good. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that Pipa Tofu recipe and that you guys might try making it. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again soon. Bye!